Welcome students. You are most welcome in my Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Let us start with a controversial topic, that is how to prove a given number is an irrational number. We are starting with under root 2 is an irrational number. All of you know any number which is prime, and if we take its square root, then that is irrational number. Let us start with under root 2. How to prove under root 2 is an irrational number? We are going to apply contradictory method. Let us suppose under root 2 is a rational number. We have to suppose under root 2 is irrational number. Let under root 2 equal to a upon b. All of you know every rational number can be expressed in the form a upon b. Here a, b belongs to integer, means a and b both are integers. B is not equal to 0. Denominator should not be 0. A and B are co-prime. A, B are co-prime. This is symbol to show co-prime. Co-prime means there is no common factor between A and B. There is no common factor between A and B. Now, we can write it in this way: under root 2 into B equal to A. Multiply it by under root 2. Take square on both sides. Both sides. What we take? When we take square of root 2, that become 2. B square, right hand side become A square. This multiple 2 indicates A square is divisible by 2. It is indication that A square is divisible by 2. Be careful, you have to write this number. A square is divisible by 2, which implies A is also divisible by 2. A is also divisible by 2. When A is divisible by 2, let A equal to 2C. Because A is divisible by 2, we can write A equal to 2 multiply some other number, C. Now put this value in 1. Put value of A in 1. Here we are going to put A equal to 2C. Now it becomes 2B square equal to 2C whole square. Be careful. 2C whole square. We write here. It becomes 2B square equal to 4C square. Take square on both sides. This part. 4C square. Now divide by 2. We get B square equal to 2C square. We divide it by 2. B square. Divide 4 by 2. It becomes 2. Now, this indicates B square is divisible by 2. B square is divisible by 2. Now if B square is divisible by 2, which implies B is also divisible by 2. B is also divisible by 2. Now be careful. we have already made clear that A is divisible by 2. Here B is divisible by 2. What is indication from this? Indication is that both A and B are divisible by 2. Both A and B are divisible by 2. It is clear both A and B are divisible by 2. But we have first considered that A and B are co-prime. But we have supposed A and B are co-prime. Co-prime means there is no common factor between them. If A and B are co-prime, it means our supposition is wrong. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. If our supposition is wrong, what type of number should be? We have supposed under root 2 as irrational, but it should be irrational number, which implies under root 2 is an irrational number. I am sure you can make it understand deeply. Please subscribe my Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Thank you.